guys, welcome back to BS Quality. Brandon here. I'm gonna be doing little parts of my old, I call it my shop, but I'm gonna restore it. Yeah, so this is what I've done so far. There's used to have all that siding on it. And this is what was behind it, which I actually prefer. Over this stuff. I mean, I burned half of this side with the fire, so that was an accident. But I wasn't sure how this would look on the outside behind all that, but it's actually in pretty good shape. I just gotta get the siding on, like some trim on the bottom and the sides, but I mean, I'm not too worried about like that stuff. I'm just gonna put like a trim piece over so it'll look good. And before any of you say anything, I'm not a professional. I'm just doing it my way with the stuff I have left over from the previous owners. I am gonna fix this though, because this is pretty bad. Yeah, I'm probably just gonna cut this piece out and put like a 2x4 in its place. But that's about the worst part of it. And like I said, just the trim pieces on the corners and all around the bottom. And replace some of this busted up trim. Probably put a whole new piece of wood in right there. But all in all, it's actually in really good shape. And it kind of, like right now, it kind of matches the house color. But I'm gonna I'm gonna paint it once the trim is done, but I don't know if I'm gonna paint it red with white trim pieces and white doors, or red with black trim and black door. And the third one I'm thinking of is like black outside of the whole building, black, and then red trim, red doors. Comment down below what you guys think would look pretty cool. But like I said, I'm making it my own shop. It is it's a nice size shop, so I'll show you. But yeah, it's I mean, I don't know like how many cars really can fit in here. It's easily like I mean, this car is a freaking, 17, 18 feet long, but there's still all that room behind it. And I got two equipments here, motorcycle, but I can have two cars like right there and one back there, and I still have room to pull in my big 05 Suburban right in here to work on and everything. I mean, I call it a 4-car garage, and realistically, if you took all this stuff out, I don't think it would have a problem fitting it. But I'm really excited. I bought my dream house and shop. I mean, I even got a full-blown compressor, It's just a dream of mine to have a shop like this. So this will be part one. If y'all like it, please like the video. And I'm gonna start with some little bit of trim work. So here we go. We'll grab a tape measure real quick, or a marker. Mark this piece here. All right. Gonna cut this piece. All right, just mark the second piece. I'm gonna need everything. That's why I wear glasses. So this is my wood junkyard, scrapyard. You can see I got hundreds, if not 1,000 pieces of trim pieces. So I have a lot I can use. Yeah. All right, let's go measure and cut this one. All right, the second part is marked, ready to be cut. Remember to wear safety glasses. I don't know why. I don't know why I know. All right, go hammer this one in. Fix you guys here. What happened? There you go. All right. Like I said, guys, I'm just a do-it-yourselfer. I'm not a professional, so you can leave hate comments if you want. That's cool, but I'm just doing what I want to do for free. So, as you saw in the video, I do gotta, I mean, that made it a little stronger, but I gotta replace the bottom board there. It's all like dry rotted and gone. That's why it moves. But actually, surprisingly, that made it pretty strong. So, but yeah, just got a lot more trim work to do and clean up, but yep. You saw that board did crack, but I'm not worried about that. A little bit of caulk or paint or whatever, it'll just cover it all up, so it'll be good. If you're wondering, make pilot holes, drill pilot holes through the wood before you put a nail, and then it won't crack. Just saying. But that'll do it for part one. I'm just gonna keep them like kind of short and simple. I'm just showing y'all that little bit of labor, hard work. You can do this stuff yourself, and that's what I'm doing. So if you guys like it, please drop a like below, comment. I get back to all my comments, whether it's a comment, a like, or a heart. Let me know what you guys think. Again, I understand. I know I'm just rednecking it. I'm a redneck. You know, yee. So, but I mean, that's a good start. But thank you guys for watching. I appreciate all you guys' support. Have a great night. Peace.